Hello and welcome back to Physionotest EKG. Today we are discussing something crucial for diagnosing and managing orthopedic conditions, common investigative procedures in orthopedics. From imaging techniques to lab tests, these investigations help us uncover the hidden causes behind pain, stiffness, and injuries. Whether you are a student, a healthcare enthusiast, or someone curious about medical science, this video is for you. Let's jump in. Introduction to orthopedic investigations. In orthopedics, investigative procedures are key to understanding the structure and function of the musculoskeletal system. These investigations help diagnose fractures, joint disorders, infections, tumors, and much more. 1. Imaging techniques. First, let's talk about imaging techniques, the cornerstone of orthopedic diagnosis. 1. X-rays, the most commonly used imaging tool in orthopedics. X-rays are excellent for detecting fractures, dislocations, bone deformities. They're quick, affordable, and widely available. 2. Magnetic resonance imaging (MRI). MRI is perfect for soft tissues like muscles, tendons, ligaments, and intervertebral discs. It's commonly used for diagnosing meniscus or ligament tears, spinal disc issues, tumors or infections. 3. CT scan computed tomography. CT scans provide detailed 3D images of bones and joints. They're particularly useful for complex fractures, pre-surgical planning, bone tumors. 4. Ultrasound. Ultrasound is a real-time imaging tool used to assess tendon injuries, joint effusions, infant hip dysplasia. 2. Laboratory investigations. Next, we have laboratory investigations, which are essential for diagnosing infections, inflammation, and systemic conditions affecting the bones and joints. Common lab tests include 1. Complete blood count (CBC) helps detect infections or anemia. 2. Erythrocyte sedimentation rate (ESR) and C-reactive protein (CRP), markers of inflammation. 3. Rheumatoid factor (RF) and anti-CCP antibodies, used to diagnose rheumatoid arthritis. 4. Serum calcium, phosphorus, and alkaline phosphatase, indicators of bone metabolism disorders like osteoporosis. 3. Special procedures. Now, let's talk about some special investigative procedures unique to orthopedic. 1. Bone scan, a nuclear imaging test used to detect bone tumors, fractures not visible on X-rays, bone infections, osteomyelitis. 2. Joint aspiration arthrocentesis. This involves extracting fluid from a joint to analyze for infection, crystals in gout or pseudogout, inflammatory markers in arthritis. 3. Arthroscopy, a minimally invasive procedure where a camera is inserted into a joint to visualize the internal structures. It's used for diagnosing ligament or cartilage injuries, performing minor surgeries. 4. Bone density and biomechanical tests. Finally, we have tests to assess bone strength and joint mechanics. 1. DEXA scan dual energy X-ray absorptiometry, the gold standard for diagnosing osteoporosis by measuring bone mineral density. 2. Gait analysis, used to evaluate walking patterns and identify biomechanical issues in conditions like cerebral palsy or after a lower limb injury. Orthopedic investigations are a blend of science and technology, helping us understand and treat musculoskeletal conditions effectively. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Physionotest EKG. Have questions or topics you'd like me to cover? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.